Hey, how's it going, everybody? I just wanted to showcase this issue that I'm having with my P320 X Compact. So this gun's about 2 months old, a month old. This is Remington green and white box, 115 grain full metal jacket. So when you walk the slide to the rear, insert a magazine, you'll see when I drop the slide, everything's cool. Go to get the round out of the chamber, and the slide is locked shut. Take the magazine out, still locked. Okay, so what I have to do is you take your empty magazine, don't put it in backwards. Alright, so I've called SIG about this issue, and it is going back to SIG in the next few days. So if anyone else has encountered this, let me know. Thank you.